Thank you for joining the second part of the information session for the PVIX Secure Texting application. I am John Landry, the Program Director for the Pioneer Valley Information Exchange, also known as PVIX. Information about PVIX Secure Texting is covered in two parts. In Part 1, I review the features of the PVIX Secure Texting application. We also learn how to install the app on your smartphone or tablet and create an account. In Part 2, I will review the basic functions of the app, including updating status, sending messages, and checking the read status of a message. We will also review the support available to you when using PVIX Secure Texting. Let's get started. You could use PVIX Secure Texting on multiple devices. You don't need an additional invitation to add the app on another device. Just download and install the app as you did earlier, and sign in with the same username and password that you created. A note: you could only be signed into one device at a time. There are menu bars to help you to navigate through the PVIX Secure Texting. The menu bar for Android devices is found in the upper left corner of your device. The menu bar for the Apple devices is found at the bottom of the screen. You could be a member of multiple directories, for example, the Bay State directory and the PVIX directory. If you are a member of multiple directories, you'll be able to message providers from multiple practices. To add a directory, you'll need an invitation from the new directory's administrator. You'll receive the new invitation in your Bay State email. Remember, the email may end up in your junk file. After you receive the new invitation in your email, open the app, go to Settings, then Directories. Enter the invitation code that is found at the bottom of the invitation letter in the Add Directory box. That's it. Now you're a member of a new directory. Remember to set your status. Based on your status, others will have an indication when you will return their messages. If your status is set for Available, you can send and receive messages, and users can send you messages. You'll be expected to return a message within 30 minutes. If you set your status to Busy, you can send and receive messages, and users can send you messages. You'll be expected to return a message when you change your status back to Available. If your status is set to Do Not Disturb, you cannot send or receive messages, but users can send you messages. These messages that users send you will remain in your queue until you change your status back to Available or Busy. When you change your status back to Available or Busy, you'll be expected to return messages at this time. To change your status, at the top right corner of the inbox, tap the Status and choose your selection from the menu that drops down. You can search for members in your directory. To search for a member, tap Directory on the app. You could search for a user by typing in their first name, last name, or specialty. You could type in a partial name and you'll get a response. If you search by specialty, say cardiologist, you will see a list of cardiologists associated with that directory. After you find the person you're looking for, you could call them if they have a number listed in their profile, or you could send them a text message. To send a text message from the inbox, tap the box with the pencil in the box from the Inbox tab. Type the name of the person you'd like to send a message to in the address line. Select the person that you'd like to text. If you wanted to text multiple users with the same message, continue to add users following the same process. Then compose your message in the message box. Click the arrow key to send that message. To send a text message from a member in the contact list, tap Directory. Search for the member you would like to message. Tap the box with the pencil in the box from the contact page. Then a new message window will appear. If you want to text multiple users, continue to add users typing their name in the To address line. Then compose your message in the message box. Click the arrow to send the message. You could add a photo to a message. To add a photo, start a message. Tap the camera icon when you start the new message. Choose the source of the image you would want to include in your message. The source could either be your photo gallery, or you could take a new photo with your camera. Complete your message and send it. Photos that are included in a message cannot be downloaded to your photo gallery. To view the message status, tap and hold the message bubble and then select Message Status. A list of recipients will appear. An open envelope and a timestamp receipt indicate that a user has read the message. A closed envelope indicates that the user has not read the message. You can set alerts for new messages and reminder messages that you have new messages waiting to be read. To set alerts, tap Settings, then tap Alert Details. For more information about using PVIX Secure Texting, you could find user guides on eWorkplace. The user guides can be found in the Resource section under IS Training. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy using PVIX Secure Texting.